Hey guys, Hair by Jess here, and you guys are watching episode 5 of the 30-day self-isolation eye makeup challenge. You guys already know the deal here with the opening scenes. So today we're going to get into purely a cut crease look, but not a full eye look where the cut crease is included. If that makes sense. As always, I'm using the same two palettes here, the Pretty Glam palette and the one from Nicka K, Nicka. Yeah, I'm literally going to spell that all the time. Anywho, so we're going to get into the precise application here where I will be. Why can't I talk? We're going to get into the precise application where I will only be doing the eyelid part, just directly a cut crease. I don't know the correct terminology to refer it to, but I will look it up. So as always, I'm going in with that fine brush and also the NYX eyeshadow crayon in the color Milk. Decided to pull up my mirror up to me a little bit closer to get this precision, being that I'm not covering the entire eye with this product. And I'm just going in and making sure I'm getting the shape that I want before I pack that eyeshadow dome. We gotta get that correct first, because I don't know about anybody else, but this has to get down really precise. All right, so this is after me getting that done. I went into my Pretty Glam palette. That thing loves to close more than anything. So I'm using that champagne color in the inner corner of my eyes to kind of give some lift and depth to my eyes once I begin applying the other colors. And here we're getting into the Nicka K palette, Nicka. We're going into that matte green. I almost touched the shimmery green right next to it, but I said no, green. The matte green, it will show up the best. I don't know why I want to say show up the mess. It will show up the best once I pack it on where I've prepped my eyelids already. And it will stand out the most. So I'm so glad I went with the matte green color here. And just doing this makeup look alone has made me really love matte eyeshadows. So I might have to add that to my collection in the form of another palette. Who knows? Also, by the way, bottom left, make sure you smash the following things. Going in with that yellow at the outer corners as well. Smash the like button, the comment, the subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, so you don't miss the next episode after this, when you hit the subscribe button on YouTube, hit the post notification bell so that way you won't miss the next episode after this. I hate for you to miss it because you don't know what's coming. You don't want to miss it. Yeah. All right, so I'm packing in that yellow there, and it's kind of getting messy because I'm packing it in and tapping it into that area where I've already prepped my eyelid, and I'm just trying to even out that outer corner where it appears to be a little like winged eyeliner, but in this case we're trying to make sure that area that we've already prepped is kind of like more of a wing without the eyeliner, if that makes sense. So as you can see, I'm being purposely precise with that brush too. That's not that fine brush that I used to put down my eyeshadow base. NYX, the eyeshadow crayon in milk, but it's a slightly thicker one, still small. I used to pack down that color. And as you guys can see, I'm packing in more of that champagne color because some of the colors were starting to overlap between these three. These three colors remind me of a flag that I cannot call right now. You cannot think of this color combination, what it's associated with. I just thought it would be really nice to combine these three together. Yeah. So I got that yellow there and I've cleaned that up, but I'm going to clean it up even more because I noticed the part just above my crease where I prepped my eyes with that eyeshadow base was a little uneven. And I got a little OCD about it, so I took my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop and went back to that fine brush after, you know, wiping off that eyeshadow residue to kind of like even out the crease shape because it was a little off to me, and I'm like, we can't have this. But with this look being so bold, I have to clean that up. I even did it here where just the outer corner where it appeared to be like a wing. I had to clean it up with this small brush and my eyeshadow. I actually like this trick because it makes it really, really sharp and defined. And it lets you know with this brush set, got this from Walmart, it lets you know that using what you have, you can create a really awesome, colorful eyeshadow look like this one using the makeup brushes you have, even if they're from Walmart or CVS. You make your coin work for you. All right, so we're going to line that lower lash. That's put in the screen, the Maybelline Lasting Fix Spray. Another smaller tipped brush. I'm going to use green, and I wound up mixing it with black as well. And I think eventually I do show where I have black mixed in as well. I mixed the green with the black. So this brush, I wet the brush with the setting spray, and I mixed that same gorgeous matte green color with that black from the same palette to line the lower lash. And then also I also used the same method to coat my top lashes because I didn't feel like putting on mascara because it tends to get like really messy after it dries, and I go to clean it and wash it off my face at night. Yeah. So that part didn't show. So now we're going to go ahead and get our hair together. That has got to be in the yellow can. So that is that frontal lace wig that I made. Made out of a frontal and probably 2.5 bundles. I'm kind of close to 3. I'm using the pink glosser from Pink Luster, I think, to kind of give this hair some shine. But I've had this hair, this frontal wig, for a year. This month makes it a year. Yeah, it's held up absolutely great. And when I applied that pink glosser, not what I'm using right here, the Got To Be freeze spray, but the glosser, it made the hair as a whole feel really like, you see that shine? That's what it did for me. Do you see the finished look of the cut crease? Yes. So that hair came out shiny. If you don't have glosser in your hair collection, hair stash, time to put it in there, but don't risk it now. Click, order it online. Safer. Yes. All right, so I'm just giving you guys a absolute close-up. I love how this came out, especially with that matte green, the champagne color in the inner corner, and the yellow on the outer corner here. Now I'm still looking at it like, okay, they weren't perfectly even, the cut crease shape, but I got really close as I could get. The color payoff is amazing. So it does go to show you that you don't have to spend a lot to get a absolutely great eyeshadow look. And until next time,